In this offseason, Joe, does he have a shot? Are teams going to take a chance on Tim Lincecum?
Oh, I think so, because you're not going to have to pay him. If his stuff looks good, and I think it's great that he's trying to make a comeback, because I think it shows you how much he loves the game. Why not? If his stuff is good, give him a shot.
He won back-to-back Cy Youngs, Mike.
He was outstanding. I think, hey, I'm not asking him to go 7 innings. If he's got any resemblance of his stuff, put him in the bullpen. He can be a long guy.